Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the 2016 GMC Acadia? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you locate and understand every fuse easily. Engine Compartment Fuse Box. The engine compartment fuse box in the 2016 GMC Acadia with HID lighting houses, fuses, and relays that protect and control key systems such as the engine, cooling fans, HID headlamps, ABS, and the fuel system. The engine compartment fuse box with halogen lamps in the 2016 GMC Acadia distributes and protects electrical power for major systems, including the engine, cooling fans, halogen headlamps, ABS, and fuel system. It ensures safe operation and prevents damage from electrical overloads. Instrument panel fuse box. The instrument panel fuse box in the 2016 GMC Acadia protects and distributes power to interior electrical features such as the infotainment system, power outlets, interior lighting, climate controls, and safety systems. It helps ensure reliable operation of cabin electronics while preventing circuit overloads. The relay side of the fuse box in the 2016 GMC Acadia controls high-power components such as the cooling fans, fuel pump, headlamps, rear defogger, and powertrain system. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement. while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle. Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for the correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.